And some other headlines now on this Friday holiday morning. Some truly shocking video right now out of Argentina. That's where the country's vice president apparently has survived an assassination attempt. Cristina Fernández de Kirchner was greeting supporters outside of her own home, and that is when a man walked up, wait for it, pointed a gun inches from her head and actually did pull the trigger. Argentina's president says the only reason she is alive this morning, injury-free, is because that gun did not fire. A 35-year-old Brazilian man is now in custody. No word yet on a possible motive why he did this, but the vice president is currently being tried on corruption charges in a case that has deeply polarized that country.